Spin circles. A spin is a trick that any dog can learn, and it's pretty easy to teach. We're going to teach using the luring method and get our dog to do the behavior and then reward him when he does. This is Jigs, and Jigs is a Dalmatian. Jigs is going to help us teach a spin trick. To do a spin trick, I start with a bunch of treats in my right hand by my belly button. I make a big circle. At the end of the circle, open my hand and let him have the treat. Good boy. There you go. So once again, treats in my right hand by my belly button, off to my right side, big circle. At the end of the circle, I let him have a treat. Now, one of the problems you may encounter is sometimes a dog will do half a circle and not finish it. That usually happens when you start the circle going too far forward and you run out of room. So just make sure you start the circle to the side, big circle, and then open up your hand. Good job, buddy. Let's try it with some other dogs. Yeah. Reach down so that your treat is at a height your dog can easily reach. Holding the treat too high could cause your dog to jump up at it. Good. Good. You can teach a spin in both directions. Use your right hand to your right side and cue spin, or your left hand to your left side and cue around. You can teach them both at the same time, but dogs often show a preference to one side or the other. I'll generally try both sides and then focus on the one direction that the dog seems to prefer. As your dog improves, you can start doing smaller and faster circles until all you need to do is a flick of your wrist to get your dog to do a spin. Good job, buddy. Let's recap this trick. Yeah. Hold a treat in your right hand close to your stomach. Move your hand first to your right and then in a big circle. Release the treat at the end of the circle. Gradually trace smaller, faster circles. Dogs can often learn this trick within a few weeks.